In the middle of the AI gold rush, one teenager did the unthinkable. He ignored the algorithms and followed the data. That decision didn't just make him rich, it made him the youngest billionaire on Earth. Here's how Alexandr Wang beat Silicon Valley at its own game, by focusing on the most overlooked part of AI. New Mexico, 1990s. This place wasn't just famous for deserts and sunshine. This was America's most important nuclear research center since World War II. Alexandr Wang was born to two nuclear physicists. His parents worked on government weapons projects, the kind only a handful of people on Earth were cleared to know about. From an early age, Wang showed exceptional talent with numbers. But what was interesting wasn't his ability to solve math quickly. It was how he saw patterns that others couldn't. At 17, an age when most of us were worried about final exams, Wang decided to work full-time at Quora, not as an intern, but as a full employee. Then came MIT, the university countless people dream of attending. Machine learning, the hottest field at the time. Everything seemed to be following the perfect script. Until Wang did something everyone called insane. After 1 year, he dropped out, left MIT to start a company. 2016 was the year AI exploded. Amazon Echo had just launched. Tesla was testing self-driving cars. Everyone was talking about algorithms, about computing power. But Wang saw a different problem, a problem almost no one cared about: data. He once said, "I use the exact same algorithm to detect facial emotions as to detect whether my food had gone missing in the fridge." Nothing had changed, just data. What was the problem? AI needs labeled data to learn. But manual labeling was slow, expensive, and couldn't scale. This was the bottleneck of the AI revolution. At 19, Wang and co-founder Lucy Guo launched Scale AI. The idea sounded simple: create a platform for efficient data labeling. But the execution was special. Instead of hiring a local team, they built a global workforce network, combined with AI for quality control. The result? Within 3 years, Scale AI became a unicorn. Clients included Uber, Pinterest, and OpenAI. Wang at 22 was already a multimillionaire. In 2020, a phone call from the US Department of Defense changed everything. They needed Scale AI to analyze satellite images, process drone video footage, and predict military equipment maintenance. Suddenly, a college dropouts company had become the backbone of US military intelligence. But that was just the beginning. Tesla uses Scale AI to train self-driving cars. NVIDIA uses it to develop computer vision AI. Meta uses it for content filtering. With $2 billion in net worth at 27, Wang could retire early. But he doesn't. He says, too many smart people focus on AGI, or what will happen in 20 to 30 years. But we need to solve big problems today: climate, agriculture, medicine. Today, Scale AI works on climate forecasting, drug development, and disaster response systems. From labeling images to solving global problems. This isn't just a business story. Wang's story reveals something fascinating about the tech industry. Sometimes, the biggest breakthroughs don't come from the most complex technology. While everyone focused on AI algorithms, Wang focused on data infrastructure. The boring part no one wanted to do. Just like how John D. Rockefeller got rich not from drilling oil, but from transporting it. Wang got rich not from creating AI, but from feeding AI. Perhaps that's the biggest lesson. Sometimes real power lies in places no one thinks about. Today, Every time you use ChatGPT, ride in a Tesla autopilot, or see Meta filter toxic content, there's a piece of scale AI in there. Alexandr Wang proved one thing. In the information age, whoever controls data controls the future. And this is just the beginning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Capital Compass, so you won't miss any future deep dives into the forces shaping our world. See you in the next video.